Hello, welcome to today's video. It's Sunday, tomorrow's Memorial Day, so we got tomorrow off too. But I think, well, the original plan was to go to a friend's house for a barbecue, but last night they messaged us saying that one of their kids' appendix burst, so they had to go get emergency surgery, so we're postponing that. But we thought, well, hey, we still had plans to hang out, so I think we're gonna have a barbecue at our place now, and then we might go ride dirt bikes and quads, but I'm not sure. If we do that, I will take you guys along as best I can. Figure out how to set up the GoPro, whatnot. But yeah, so just got ready. I think I'm gonna go put laundry in and probably make breakfast. So come along, see what we get into. Should be a good day. You want some eggs?
Yeah, I want some eggs.
You want one egg or 2 eggs?
2 eggs.
You want 2 eggs?
That one.
You want 2 eggs?
2 eggs.
Coach, did you eat all your eggs? Cheers. You eat your eggs? You ate both of them, huh? And some pork. Let's check out your owie. Can I see your owie? Say, I fell down yesterday. It's a pretty good one. Oh, no, Picky, don't touch it. No touching.
This is a
You're so tough.
I can switch in my finger. That way.
Yeah. Alright, well, I just got done at the grocery outlet to pick up some extra stuff for today. I was gonna get potato salad, but it was like $9. And I'm like, I'd rather make this at home. So I'm gonna go try to look up a recipe and make potato salad at home, because I wasn't about to buy potato salad for $8 when it should be maybe half that, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna go try to do that. I didn't look up any ingredients or anything, so we'll figure that out. But yeah, anyway, I think people are supposed to be at our house within the next hour. Not really sure what all we're gonna be doing, but you know, I'm sure we're gonna have a great time. So anyway, I don't know how much I'll film, because I know there's at least one person that doesn't like to have anything on the internet of them. Like, they deleted Facebook, they locked down their phone, so it's not even like really a smartphone anymore. So I don't know how much I'll be filming, especially like if they're there or if they're going on the trail ride with us. But I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, and I might just film on my phone as well to, you know, get some extra clips of the cool stuff. I wanted to wear my GoPro like on a chest mount or something while we were on the trail ride, but I don't know anymore, since that one person really doesn't like being on the internet. We'll see though. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but we'll see. Anyway, there's a person standing in the street. But yeah, so got some groceries, gonna go make some potato salad. Anyway, weird. Yeah. Bubs and I made breakfast, and he was being so cute. I filmed the whole thing. It was like 10 minutes, so I might just put a couple clips in this video and then make a whole nother video for making the breakfast with him, because he was just too cute. And he ate both of his eggs. He ate all the food. He tried it. Looks like he didn't really love the pork, but he did eat some of it, so it's pretty impressive, eating 2 eggs. Anyway, headed up to the house, and yeah, I'll see you guys the next time anything cool happens. Nice. Oh.
Look, my tractor.
Wow. Can you put your earplugs back on?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He got it.
Put them on.
Put them on.
It's really loud.
Leave them on so you don't get owie ears. Okay?
Want to try?
Sure. Where have you been hitting it?
Shoot right in the center now. I did one at the bottom right and then one at the top.
So you just have to pull this back?
Yep, just pull that back and then you pull the trigger.
The middle?
Yep, shoot right in the middle.
Ow.
I got it. That is so pretty. Shoot me in the butt. What'd you say, boy? Oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
really?
Oh.
Really?
Hi, baby. I love you. Hello, Mom.
Hi, baby.
Oh,
Whoa.
this is what? This camera.
I'm okay. Are you okay?
It's yours.
Yep, that's Mama's.
And Daddy's.
Mm-hmm.
And Daddy's too. Oh. That's.
Oh, put those on. We gotta leave them on. Did you have fun playing outside?
Push it. I guess push it. Oh, push so good.
Mm-hmm.
Push so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is.
It looks like.
Oh.
Did you hit it?
Every time. So it'll be a little more comfortable if you put your arms out straight.
What?
If you have your arms out straight and you're looking down the sights, it'll be a little bit more comfortable. There you go. See, it's not as bad. Right here. Well, I was up there too.
Alright, well, it's the next day. I showered and Bubba just got up and got ready for the day. We were trying to go on a quad ride yesterday, and then one of the bikes wouldn't start. So we didn't end up going on a quad ride. I did a little lap around the neighborhood, but didn't film anything because I was trying to be safe. But anyway, and then after that we came, made dinner, hung out with our friends, played in the yard, and then once everybody left, we shot at that boat back there that you saw. Oh no! That's Cody's old boat. He broke something on the edge of it, and then we got, so instead of repairing it, we actually got the same type of boat for my granddad's house, who passed away in July last year. And so instead of fixing our boat, we were just going to use my granddad's boat. And yeah, so for that boat, we got some grapes from my granddad's as well, and we're going to plant the grapes in that boat. So we were putting my granddad.
Granddad has some boats.
Yep, granddad did have some boats. But yeah, so we put holes in that with one of our firearms, and
some slides.
Yep, and some sides, and so that water can drain out because it rains a lot here. Anyway, so that's what that was. We'll probably put the grapes in today. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna end this video here and start the next one. So
and 5 tractors.
Yep. Can you say thanks for watching? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Okay, let's go get water.